All right, and go. Here he comes. Not even 4 months old running. Good job. Good job. Oh, what happened? You want to back up? All right, let's back up a little bit. Oh, there he is. He's on TV. Here he goes. Go. Uh-oh. You okay? Go. Still recording. Good job. He almost made that turn. He almost made the turn into the kitchen. Good boy. And I'll help you out. You want to turn? Say hey. And he's off. Okay, go. Here he goes through the kitchen. Camera's still rolling. Wrong way. Come this way. Come this way. Come on. Ooh. All right, we're going to straighten you up. Come on. Go. Full speed. Come on. Here he comes. And cut.